If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need fat quarter pack, ruler, pins, cardboard tubes, ribbon, scissors, fabric pen, A3 paper, pinking shears, and you'll also need a sewing machine and thread and an iron. Use 2 pieces of A3 paper to create both templates for your crackers. Your first template should measure 31 by 20.5 centimeters. This will be for the body of the cracker. The second template should measure 11.5 centimeters by 31. This will be for the ends of the cracker. All seam allowances are included within the template measurements. Choose 2 contrasting fabrics, 1 fabric for the cracker body and 1 fabric to use for the ends. Draw around the templates onto your chosen fabric. Be mindful of the direction of print. Once happy, cut out the pattern piece using a sharp pair of fabric scissors. Please note you will need 1 piece for the body and 2 pieces for the cracker ends. Take your main cracker body piece and position it so it's facing pattern side up. Next, take both of your cracker pieces and place them pattern side down along one of the long edges of your cracker body piece. Once again, making sure to be mindful of the direction of the pattern. Pin together. Sew the pieces together using a 1 centimeter seam allowance, remembering to remove the pins as you go. To prevent the fabric from fraying, use pinking shears and cut along the edge of the seams, or you can add a hem. Once cut, press your seams open. On all 4 sides, fold by 0.5 centimeters, then fold again by 1 centimeter. Sew hem using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Place the cardboard tube in the center, fill with your treats, and then roll your fabric around the tube. Secure with ribbon on either side of where the tubes sit by tying a knot, and finish with a bow.